played 4 matches, lost all 4 of their matches. I request captains for the toss, please. RCB versus CSK. CSK won the toss and elected to field first. As usual, Vivek, obvious choice, won the match and elected to field first. We have a combination of Mama Banja in the team, CSK team. Vivek is the Mama, Rishu is the Banja. That's obvious. No need to be grateful for that. Mamaji coming, Mamaji captain. You can see young mamas these days, very young mama. Must win for both the teams. CSK 1-2, RCB 1-2.
त्याचे पॉइंट्स कुठे आहेत ते 4 आहेत ना 6 होतील त्याचे 4च राहतील भयानक गोल जिंकला त्याचे पण 2 होणार मग 4 होणार ना चौथ्या टीमसाठी 4 होणार आपण रन तसं नाही ठेवलेलं ना
सेमीफाइनल के लिए मस्ट विन फॉर बोथ द टीम्स. Nishant Rana will bowl the first over. YouTubers, are you ready? Bowler Nishant Rana. Vivek on strike. R Yadav is on non-strike. R Yadav sounds like a cricketing name. Vivek, left-handed batsman. Nishant Rana. Why is lying down? 1-1-1. Is that a 1? No. Almost got that wicket. Nishant Rana. Ball number 2. Good shot for 1 run. Ball number 3. Is that a wide? Leg by. 1 run. Extra na, wide ball and wide, only wide, no extras. Wide ball. Who is the leg umpire? Who is the leg umpire? Leg umpire, please. Arendra. Leg umpire. Dead ball. Dot got deleted. Leg umpire हरेंद्र. हाँ एक ही था, डेड नहीं है, एक ही बॉल है, ठीक है. Dead ball. Next ball, yes. Ball number 5. 2 or 1? 1 run, 1D. 1D for Vivek. Oh. End of over 1. Good over by Nishant Rana. Vivek Rai, the next bowler. 4 रन 4 दौड़े बनाई हैं पहले ओवर में. ऋतिक इज द बॉलर. गुड ड्राइव. बैट्समैन पता कौन है? आर कुमार. 1D. Dot 1D. Yes. Ball number 3. Misfield by Nishant Rana. A good fielder. It doesn't miss too many, but yes, it was a bad day. 2 runs, 2D. Oh. You could hear the sound of the bat, but there was no touching of bat to the ball. Too many dot balls. 2D. Banja is angry with his mama's performance. First time in the history, Banja giving gyan to mama. Over. End of the over. Bowler finished it too fast. 9 runs. 9 runs after 2 overs. Vivek Rai, mama will do the third over. He will become Jagat Mama. Everyone will start calling him Mama now. Vivek versus Vivek. Yeah. We had Sakpal versus Sakpal moment. Now Vivek versus Vivek moment. Yes. One Vivek gets the another Vivek. Eleven left. Yes. That's out. Flighted delivery. Beat him in the air and took the strike batsman wicket. Rakesh Sakpal went back to the pavilion on very first ball. He got the duck. Satyavan, the vice captain, on strike. Satyavan. 2 balls. Is he on strike? Is he on hat trick? That was a hat trick ball. Satyavan, Vivek, ball number 4. Wide ball. Wide ball. Yes, ball number 4. Banja, Mama is happy with Banja's performance. That's out. Is that a overthrow? Not out, not out. Satyavan. Last ball. Last ball. Last ball, last ball. एक एक्स्ट्रा बॉल डाला था वो. वाइड डाला था एक. 11 रन. 11, 11, 11, 11, 11, 1, 1, 11, 10 plus 1. Good fielding, very good fielding by Banja. Rishu. Mama is happy today. After 3 overs, only 11 runs by RCB team. Match. They need to cut loose now. Last over, Rishu is on strike. Rishu is bowling. 1 run. 1D, 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 yes. One D. Too much discussion. 1D. Ekach. Double bat. Is that a double bat? 2D, yes. Tapping 2 runs. Good shot by Satyavan. Wide. Come on, Banjay. Three balls. Third one, dot 1. That's out. Is that out? No. Tap. 1 run. It was a question. Is that out? 1 run. 1D. Yes. Good fielding. Last ball of the over. 16 scored so far. Is that a no ball? Yes. No ball. 17. Last ball. We could see some sponsors. That's 4. Megramji first time came into light. Misfielding. Gave away 4 runs. 20 runs after 4 overs. 21 runs after 4 overs. 22 required to win. Last ball. Boundary because of the misfielding. डॉट आया था ना, नो बॉल था ना, साला वो नो बॉल था तभी 4 मिला, बाकी तो खत्म हो गया था. 22 required. कितना है स्कोर? स्कोर कितना हुआ? 21 है 22? 22 required to win. नो बॉल गिना. नो बॉल प्लस 4 बाउंड्री लास्ट वाले पे. 22 to win. एक बार स्कोर कार्ड दिखा दे यार दोस्त. We have the highest scorers, Raj leading with 49 runs, Kiran followed 48 runs, Rishi Upadhyay 45 runs, Rakesh 39, Tushar Panchal 26 runs. Most wicket takers, Akshay More 9 wickets, Vivek 6 wickets, Sattu 6 wickets, Rakesh from RCB team 5 wickets. अकेला ही 4 ओवर खेलेगा तो 26 मार ही देगा ना. Nishant Rana is the batsman. Praveen Shetty on non-strikers. Satyavan is the bowler. Satyavan bowling first over for the team. Good fielding, very good fielding. As advised by the commentator, you should keep the best fielder on the boundary line. And he saved 4 runs for the team. I wanted to cut it towards the third man. Did not touch anything at all. Good keeping by Govind Satyavan with ball number 3. That's out. Is that out? Caught wicket keeper. Wall. Satyavan. There was a edge. Vivek Rai. Vivek Rai under pressure. Captain CSK team. Ball number 4. Ball number 4. Good fielding. No, he couldn't stop it. 1 run. 1 run. Good attempt. Satyavan to Vivek Roy. Vice captain to captain. Good shot. Full use of the shoes. New shoes bought by Thorat Saab. Vivek, sometimes I feel is a good batsman for open stadium. But for box cricket, he needs to change his strategy. New batsman Praveen Shetty. Praveen Shetty is on strike. Rishu is on non-strike. After 5 balls, after end of 1 over, 1 run, 2 wickets. Over number 2, Rakesh Sakpal. Rakesh Sakpal, vice captain, asking him to wait. Yes. Is it good? Yeah, they are good to go. Over number 2, ball number 1. Good shot for 1 run. Praveen Shetty. Ball number 2, over number 2. Oh, good shot for no run. Ball number 3 to Praveen Shetty. That's out. That's out. The fielder is appealing towards commentator, asking him to give a decision. Yes, I gave my decision. That's out. Meghramji, chairman of E&F Society, on strike. Rakesh Sakpal. One run. Meghramji, Rakesh. Good ball. 2 runs. Last. No, wide. Plus 1 extra. 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1. एक और एक 11 होते हैं, बट क्रिकेट में 2 ही होता है. एक और एक 2. Yes, 1 + 1 2 here. Good shot for no run. End of the over 2. Score is 7 runs. 7 रन 2 ओवर के बाद. 15 रन चाहिए 12 बॉलों में. 15 runs required of 12 balls. Sanjay Moria. Sanjay Moria is on. Will ball the third over. Sanjay Moria. Round the wicket. 3 fielders on the boundary line. Rakesh, Satyavan and Vivek. Sanjay. Are you guys ready? इसको पीछे ले लगेगा. One run, last ball. Good field. Very good fielding. Good shot. Good shot. No run on the last ball. 3 dot balls. Batsman is under tremendous pressure now. Is that a single? 2D? 1D, 2D? 2D, okay. Last ball of the over, Sanjay Moria. Very good bowling performance. That's out? Is that out? He dropped it. End of the over. Too many chefs spoil the food. Too many fielders brings the misfielding. After 3 overs, 11 runs. 11 runs after 3 overs. 11 रन चाहिए 6 बॉलों पर. 11 दौड़े बनानी है 6 गेंदों पर. चेयरमैन साहब, सोसाइटी E&F नॉन स्ट्राइक पर है. Rishu, Mama giving advice to Banja. Banja taking the advice wholeheartedly. If CSK loses this match, there will be a fight at Mama Banja's house tonight. A clear sign from the RCB team to give or cede 1 run only. 1-2. They are fine with 1 or 2. Ranjit Thorat is the bowler. 1 dot ball. Ball number 2. Another dot. Banja is running out of patience. Ball number 3. Ranjit Thorat. Will that be another dot ball? No. 2D. Sanjay Moria saved 2 runs for his side. It was a short boundary, but he saved 2. Yes. Ball number 4. Oh. Satyavan, good attempt. 4 ball. 5 required of 2 balls. 5 required of 2 balls. 1 more boundary and they all gone. Yes. Second last ball. Last ball. Save the boundaries. You can win this match easily. तेरे को ही बोला मैंने. Boundary. इधर यार, साफ इधर लगा है. Hello. Too many feedbacks. Can we have the replay here? Let's have the replay here. Can we? No replays. No replay available. अरे गुरुजी ये यहाँ से पैरेलली यहाँ आ रहा है. Two D. Okay. Empire's call. 2D. इनका ओपिनियन 4 है, मेरा ओपिनियन 4 है. वो टेढ़ा मारेगा तो
हात टाकून बोला चालेल.
Two runs finally. Empire's called 2 runs.
लेकिन मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ, रिप्लाई में दिखाया नहीं था यार, रिप्लाई में दिखाया नहीं था. क्या कर रहे थे, क्या दिखाए कुठे उभा आहे तो तिकडे उभा आहे बघ. आणि असं तुला काय वाटतं की तिकडे कॉर्नरमध्ये जाईल का? गेलंय ते क्रॉसमध्ये, पण कसं गेलंय ते बघ ना तू. तो उभा कुठे आहे बघ, तो उभा कुठे आहे, तिकडे उभा आहे बघ.
Considering the angles, and reflection, 2 runs. 2 runs of the last ball. Majority wins. Benefit of the doubt is going to the fielding side. 2 runs of the last ball. End of discussion, please. Umpire's call. Umpire's call. Umpire's call. Umpire has taken the final call. No more discussion. Enough of discussion. Enough of discussion. छोड़ना ओ भाई हो गया एंड ऑफ डिस्कशन Bhayanak Boys versus Maratha Warriors winning all their 4 matches till now, going into the 5th match. The team led by Ganesh Sakpal, captain himself, star performer. एम्पायर का कॉल हो गया ना फाइनल आधे लोग इधर एम्पायर का कॉल
नहीं बात नहीं है बॉल वो बोल रहे हैं बॉल वहां लगी है जबकि बॉल यहाँ लगी है तो फिर आप ही बताओ
एंगल का आप देख लो यार
एंगल तो बाउंड्री है सीधा आपको भी मानक भाई को पता है
एंगल वो गैप
ये
2 फीट का गैप है उधर
हाँ तो वही बोल रहा हूँ बॉल हाथ से लगी ना सीधा वहां लगी बॉल अब वो विवेक बोल रहे
यहाँ
इधर
से
लगी है
रिफ्लेक्ट हो रही है ऐसे जा रही है ठीक
ठीक
है
है तो बाउंड्री ना वो खड़ा गिरा था बॉल में देखिए
1 second. Bhayanak Boys won the toss and elected to field first. Man of the match, last match. Man of the match.